Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. We are back up north, out for another camping trip. I found a little weather gap, so I was able to sneak away from the city, come up here. We're back up in Perry Sound, just launched, parked the car. We're gonna head out and just enjoy a couple nice fall days out here on the water. Like I said, they're becoming few and far between now. So we gotta just get out and enjoy when we can. I think I got a pretty nice little stretch of weather, probably tonight, tomorrow, and then probably, I think if the rain stays where it's supposed to be, we probably have to pop out of here around lunchtime or just after lunchtime. Because like I said, guys, it's just, I mean, if I don't have to be in the rain, I'm not gonna be in the rain. So. But we got some fall colors happening. It's absolutely gorgeous up here as it is in the fall. So we got the waters to ourselves. Let's go out and explore. So come along with me. Let's go. Let's punch it. I'm gonna make sure I didn't lose any of my cargo. Hi guys, well, we've made it up into the wilderness and I'm just looking for campsites that would be good for the night. This one's got all the trees I need, but not the best view. Alright, let's keep looking. That is what's known as a deadhead. And if you're not paying attention, that will mess you up. That'll put a good hole in your hull really quick, so yikes. You see that line there? That's where the water level was, and it's down to there. In my estimations, 2.5 feet down. That's nuts. So again, you can definitely see where the pine needles end. That's obviously where the water was. So that was not last year. It was down last year. 2 years ago. This pandemic has taken all the water away. Everyone's been home showering so much. That's why we've lost all this water. That doesn't make any sense, but I'm going to go with it. Good thing about going on fall trips is that there's no one out here. And it's dead quiet. I don't know why I'm whispering. Look. Leaves. All right. It's getting sunsets in less than 2 hours, and it's clouded over a bit on me here, so I'm gonna keep going. Well guys, I think we found our camp for the night. Pulled all my stuff off and put it on the picnic table here for the night. And I'm just going to set the hammock up between this tree and this tree and settle in for an evening. I think I'm going to be able to get out for a little bit of a fish tonight, and then have a fire, and then call it an evening. So I'm going to set this up now. So that's what's next. Alright guys, got the hammock tent all set up, ready to go. I'm going to give you a little bit of a better look at it. So in here is like a drink holder. You've got storage up in here. Put your cell phones in there. And then these right here adjust, you can pull these in, right? And it adjusts like your foot up. There's ones up here that you can adjust lying back so it's more flat. Comes with the mosquito net, and you can see another spot over here for storage. And then usually what I'll do is I'll stick stuff down in here as well if I need. And it's just been really good this summer. No complaints about it at all. Now you can put a tarp up. Now it does have the mosquito net and everything like that, but I'm not sure. It's not supposed to rain tonight, but it would suck if it did. But it looks like it's clearing out, so yeah, we'll see. Anyways, beautiful setup. It's so great, guys. If you have any questions about it, hit me up in the comments below, okay? Anyways, on with the evening. Literally, guys, I was sitting here just taking in nature for a minute, and I'm like, remember I was saying earlier, I was like, oh, I wonder if I need my tent or put the tarp up or not. And then I go, well, I'm gonna just check the radar. I go check the radar. There's nothing on the radar, so I feel comfortable there. And then literally as I'm doing it, the sun comes out, and look at this. Unbelievable. So beautiful. And we've got this little bay down in here. But look at that, guys. I mean, it's so incredible. I love getting out here. And you can see sunset through the trees there. Wow, man, I'm blown away. It's so beautiful. All right, enough of me being blown away by nature. Let's go out into nature and see it, although we're already here. So, well guys, slight change of plans. That sun is setting way quicker than I thought it was going to. So I'm gonna try out a top water here. I mean, why not? It's flat calm, right? So let's see how this goes. Sorry, just adjusting you. What? Surprisingly, there's still mosquitoes. Cast one, no. Oh, guys, I got one. Oh, guys, did I get him? No, he spit it. No. Oh. I didn't set the hook right. I was more shocked that I landed one there. All right. Oh, great. Oh, smoke in my face. Well, guys, we got a campfire going. The night has set in. It's a beautiful day getting out here. I'm gonna go to bed once this is done. Call it a night. Then we'll get up and do it all again tomorrow and see what we can find. So thanks again for watching up to this point. If I end the video here, thanks so much for watching. All the best. Catch you in part 2. All right, guys. Till the morning. Cheers.